Hi, Mike here. I just want to do a really short video on tire pressure. Sorry for the bird noise. A lot of people, and I assumed at one point that the tire pressure you go by is it says max 40 here. Probably can't see it, but do not exceed 40. I always thought that was the tire pressure, and I just was supposed to go up to it and no more. But that's not true. You do not go by what the tire says. You go by what it says in the door here is the tire pressures. I always knew this was here, but I assumed that it was the same as what the tire said. 36 psi, it says, for the tire I have on. So, yeah, 36. So the pressure right now is reading 39, which is fine. I'll just let a little air out. So that's what you go by, what it says in the door, not what it says on the tire. So I hope this helps.